I literally get so many questions about a closet tour, but my closet is very small and kind of like, here's the tour. You're on a tripod and there's a light. But basically, this is it. And it's full of stuff that I wear, but also stuff that I really haven't worn. So I was like starting with like this bathrobe, for example. This is like a Wheezy bathrobe. I thought I was like gonna be so cute and cool and wear a bathrobe all the time, but look, it's like kind of got ruined in the dryer. And then, I don't know, it's just like heavy and I'm not like a sit around in a bathrobe kind of person. I do have robes. Okay, where am I gonna pile stuff? I do have like a silky robe like this. My husband got it for me. This is Lunya. They make pajamas. And by the way, I'm like in pajamas right now because this is how I'm gonna do my closet clean out because I'm gonna have to try stuff on and all of that. So I'm gonna try and get into it. There's this silky robe, which I love, but I think it's like past its prime in that it's like kind of pitted out. My husband also got it for me. He gets really sweet gifts like that. And then this is the robe I wore on my wedding day. And so I just got it from Etsy. I don't know. Do we keep something like this? Do we not? Maybe keep it. It doesn't take up too much room. See, this is where I run into problems. I get sentimental. This is a vintage Chanel trench coat that I need to repair. One of the buttons fell off. I have the button. It just fell off the little cuff here. So I have to get it repaired, however it goes. Really don't know how it goes. Oh, like that. See, and it's missing the second button. This lighting's kind of scary when I get too close. Okay, this trench that I wore in Paris, love that one. This Abercrombie dress I just got, Chanel dress, another Abercrombie dress, a warm weather J. Crew dress. But you see how it's like I can't actually see anything that's here? Struggles. All right, this is an interesting one. This is an Alice and Olivia little black dress. Maybe I put this in a pile of maybes to try on. And if it's cute, we'll keep it. And if it's not cute, we'll get rid of it. Chanel skirt, Chanel jeans, Chanel jeans. Oof. Alice and Olivia, Staud, Nordstrom from 100 years ago. Maybe this one can go. But this little t-shirt thing, this is amazing. I love this. It's like a splendid, just like little knit thing. It's like, I think it's like the equivalent of a Skims dress before there was a Skims dress. I loved this when I got it. It was from Nordstrom, but I feel like the moment for that has passed. We're over it. We're over it. We've moved on. Okay, this Missoni dress. It's a good one for like tropical vacations. Chanel skirt. Love Shack fancy set. I can still keep that. Love Shack, Love Shack. Alice and Olivia. I feel like maybe this one should go. This isn't like necessarily, I don't know, is it cute? I don't know. Okay, that's the maybe pile. Maybe it's me, maybe it's not. Here's a dress I've never worn. Oh my gosh. Here's a dress I've never worn from Veronica Beard. I think this is a good maybe to try on. Because if I haven't worn it yet, what is she doing here? Okay. This one I'm torn on. It's Show Me Your Moo Moo. It's like a glittery sort of holiday dress. It's good to have something like this. I just don't feel like it's not super high quality. So it's more for like a rambunctious party than like a fancy party. I don't know if I'm in my rambunctious party phase anymore, but all right. We have a lot of babies in the maybe pile. Let's keep going. The way I immediately moved to the try on phase, okay, these pants are not working. I have a tummy. I've always had a tummy, and like the pleats in the front, they have to go. I mean, I've never worn them. These are the viral Halara pants. I'm telling you, do not get them. Okay, by contrast, these are the wide leg Abercrombie pants, and I still don't love the pleating in the front. I think it's a lot better, a lot more flattering. And actually, these are really good travel pants. It's like wearing sweatpants on the plane, except for you're like a little bit more put together. Again, these literally pajamas and literally no. Two reasons why this has to go. One, it's a little short. Two, these orange bungee cords, I don't know what I was thinking, but they just like, they make it casual when really, when I'm gonna wear a black dress, I wanna dress up. It's been sitting in my closet for years. I never wear it. It is a little small, even though, yeah, it's a no. Do you ever put something on and then immediately realize why you never wear it? What is this? This is like a little weight to like hold the, no, it's a mess. I don't know what this is doing in my closet, but she needs to leave. Okay, this dress is a lot, but I kind of still love it. I mean, for spring, it's just fun. It's carefree. It's good for travel. I guess she's staying another season. I need to ask myself a serious question. Did I ever wear these? And what was I thinking? And why do I have like 3 pairs of the same exact freaking thing? How did that happen? Okay, these are slightly better, but still, am I so serious with so many pairs of cutoff denim shorts? I don't think I wore a single pair of these all summer long. Okay, explain to me how I'm getting rid of all of this, and yet the closet is still full. What kind of closet math is this? Okay, I think that's the end of this little closet clean out vlog. Obviously I didn't really clean out my closet that much. I did get rid of like 3 trash bags full of clothes, which I'm going to donate. But as you can see, the closet is still full. However, there's a little bit more room for like paging through, although that's probably a bad example. This is a better example for paging through. So there's a little bit more breathing room, but the closet is still very much full. I don't know. I guess it's like one of those things when you love clothes, love fashion, you're just gonna have a lot of it. Anyway, I know this was a slightly different video, so let me know if you like this format, like something different. I just thought it'd be fun to try out. Okay, talk to you guys later and see you in my next video. All right, bye.